Today we are here in Eldoret, Huruma Sub-County Hospital, for tax exemption verification exercise for persons with disabilities within this region. Basically, we want to verify, together with the team from Ministry of Health and KRA, Kenya Revenue Authority, that the persons with disabilities who are eligible for tax exemption qualify and meet all the set requirements. These are operations that have been going on for the last, let's say supposed to go on for 1 month. We started on 30th of March, and we are running the exercise throughout the country up to 30th of April in two major regions, the Western region and also the coast and eastern region. Once you are registered as a person with disability, you become eligible for tax exemption, whether you are employed formally, whether you are self-employed. As my colleague from Kenya Revenue Authority has explained, anyone with PWD registered is eligible for this as long as you meet the requirements.
The taxes that they are exempt from is income tax exemption only. That is the income they get from any business, employment income, and the exemption is based on the 150,000 per month. Yearly it's 1.8 million. So for the 150,000 per month, if you earn above 150,000, so the first 150,000 is exempt, then anything above 150,000 is taxed. Common mistakes that persons with disability makes that lead them not to get the exemption. One, if you come to apply without any income, the exemption is given on income. So if you don't have any income, you don't warrant for the exemption. Then another one, you find people have income but they are filing nil returns. So in those cases, we normally tell them to go do corrections. They amend their returns, declare the income. Then after they declare the income, we are able now to generate the exemption certificates.